there anything else I should know about?
Alright, guys. Well, we're going to do some vacuuming right now. And I believe we are going to use... I haven't used it in a while. So... how about this for a good one, guys? The Dirt Devil Dynamite Plus. I know it's a classic, but like, why not, you know? I ran it in a while, so. And guys, I did some research, and I found that this was made in 2000 and I believe the last, let's see what the date is on the bottom, the date code is on this thing, let's see. Last I found, I think the model number is right underneath the cord, ain't it? I believe so, right? Let's see. Let me find it, guys. Give me 1 second here. I do believe, if I'm right, alright, guys, here you go. This is well before Dirt Devil switched over to TTI, so guys, let's go on the front end where you can see better. I can't see for nothing here. Alright, guys, give me a second so I can look at the model number with you. Let's see here, guys. Put something in my lap. Make it easier on the both of us to read it. Let me see here, guys. Let's see if we can see it now without the... Alright, guys, so this is a 7 amps. So, Jesus. I apologize, guys. Manufacturing code is... So... this is a 2006 unit, guys. See manufacturer code MFG C06A. So yeah. So I'm guessing they quit making this in 2006 of April, guys. That would make the most sense. But this is one of my favorite units, guys, you know. Let me go ahead and plug it in really fast. So yeah, they stopped making it in 2006 of April, guys. Kind of interesting that I found that out by looking at the sticker. When you look at the sticker, guys, on your vacuum for the manufacturer date code, you can find out a lot of information. You know, what year they made it and all that. Especially these older Dirt Devils, you know. Hopefully we have a tangle in the cord. Let's see here. Let's see here. Let's make sure we're all good. No, we don't. Alright, guys. Yeah, I'm also pretty happy with that and the Endura Reach. And the also the multi-surface too, guys. Alright, guys, here you go. Let's plug it in. Oh, gotta turn around that way. There you go. Alright, guys, here we go. I apologize to the plug. You want to fix this. I don't know why it keeps doing that.
Power like garages, sheds, and RVs. It is 15 times louder than any other unit.
Right, guys, here we go. Really nothing bad to say about it. Doing a great job in fact, really it is. So I started going onto the dirt container on this thing too. And this is one guys when I can I gotta order an F2 filter for guys, so it's takes an F2 filter, guys. Guys, you see all your vacuum they'll fit on the other side of my bed too, guys, you know. There's all their vacuum that can fit. I'll show you. That's what I'm talking about. There's all their vacuum that can fit right on the side of this bed. Look, see? The only one that can go alongside the bed. See? Like that. And it's clean like really good too, guys. Look at that. Now that's a good vacuum cleaner, guys. Oh man, I'm stuck on something here, guys. Here, I got it. You guys, I really honestly have to say I'm pretty happy with this vacuum. It's doing a good job too. See, I'll show you. Give me a second to sit down here. That's got a lot of dirt in there, guys. I can honestly tell you. Look at that. Like I said, guys, I have not even emptied it all. So, guys, they say this weighs less than 10 pounds. We're going to find that out together today, too, before I end the video. So, give me 1 minute. We'll put your fancy not looking at the... Looking at my olive green Vanguard door pans, guys. So let me go ahead and empty this thing right fast. You know what, guys? I'm actually going to do, so I have this filter out, I'm going to, as I always do, I'm going to go ahead and just vacuum this thing off anyways, you know. Might as well. Clean it off right quick. So let me grab another, let me grab another vacuum cleaner, guys. Very fast. I think in this case we're probably just going to use the Eureka. No big deal. It'll be super easy. It actually will be because the hose is easier to get off of, like, not like the Enduro Reach isn't, but I mean, you know. Just going to clean this off like real quick. So I'm not going to take off a lot of cord. I'm just going to take off just a small, real small length. Won't get a lot. Alright guys, give me 1 minute here. I'm going to clean off the filter on this vacuum. There we go. Show them, guys. I'll put the brush on it. Like I told you I would, I'm gonna use the brush. I'm going to clean off the filter. So if you guys don't have enough two filters sitting out for your Dirt Devil Dynamite Plus, all you gotta simply do is take another vacuum like I'm doing. Just gently vacuum it off, you'll be good. Alright guys, good as new. Clean that all off right easy. Like really lickety split basically. So we're gonna go out and plug that. And we're also going to unplug the Dirt Devil Dynamite because we're going to weigh that on the scale. Because they're claiming, the claim to fame is less than 10 pounds. So we'll see. I didn't want to put the... Guys, every time I use that vacuum, I always clean...
What is going on, y'all? Captain Namco here.